The FIFA World Cup 2026 will be the biggest football tournament in history.
Today, we are going to create something new in just 1 minute. Yes, absolutely, so let's not waste any time. First, take a look at this channel. It has only 19 uploaded videos, yet one of its videos has already gained more than 507,000 views. This channel uploads FIFA-related content, such as football videos, World Cup updates, and other football topics. You can easily create similar FIFA and football videos as well. First, I will provide you with a prompt in the YouTube comment section. Download it and copy it. Then, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt. As soon as you paste it, ChatGPT will generate scene prompts along with a voice over script. Yes. Everything will be generated automatically, including the voiceover. Review all the prompts and save them in one place. If you want, you can even ask for more image prompts or additional scenes. Now, your FIFA video scenes are ready. As you can see, all the football-related image prompts and video scenes have been generated. To create the videos for free, we will use Flowlabs AI. It is an excellent platform that provides 150 free credits when you start. After that, you receive additional free credits daily. Simply click on New Project. Copy one of the prompts and paste it into the prompt box. As soon as you paste it, the video generation process will begin. As you can see, the first video has been generated and the result looks amazing. Now copy the second prompt, paste it, and your second video will be ready as well. You can continue using the platform this way to create multiple videos. If you want to keep using it for free, you can create accounts with different email addresses. By using 3 or 4 email accounts, you can continue generating free videos every day and take advantage of the available credits. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. We will bring you more helpful videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching.
For the first time ever, 48 teams from 211 countries will compete for glory.